Yes, I was talking about a category post written by Rajiv Ahmed sir, and the topic was of the post was how to become successful from nothing. I read one passage from there, and now I am here. I am in a second passage of that topic. However, when we reach the age of 19 to 20, we have to face the reality. Maybe you had the dream to study in a good subject in one of the top universities of your country. However, when the time comes for university admission, you find yourself struggling for even entering in an ordinary university. Most people think that studying in humanities or arts means having no prospect in future career. Many people struggle to get a job after graduating, so they start fearing that maybe they will have to remain unemployed for whole life. I said in first video that I dreamed that I will be an income tax lawyer, and this was my dream. It was my dream from my childhood, and that's why I didn't choose the science subject. And my father wanted from heart that his heart that I would be a doctor, and I will choose the subject science background. But I didn't do that for my dream, and I didn't listen to my father, and I chosen a commerce subject and for my dream. And I wanted to be I said I said that I wanted to be an income tax lawyer. And why I dreamed about the career, because I thought that the passion is really smart and perfect for an woman, and I thought that is very respectable job. But when from class 9 to HSC level, I was in commerce background student, and I was good in accounting. But for many obstacles, I didn't. I had to study in economics subject in honors level, and I was really very depressed for my subject. And yes, only for my obstacles of my family, for year gap, not only the mistakes of my family and situation, myself. I was guilty also, and but when I realized that yes, I was wrong. For my fault, I didn't give value to my accounting subject. That time I was really depressed. Day by day I was becoming depressed, and totally I was in depression, and I was in very difficult time. I couldn't it was not possible to share my fault with anyone, because I'm an elder sister of my younger sister. I have some responsibilities. I have some responsibilities for myself. I have some responsibilities to my younger sister. I couldn't fulfill my responsibilities. I couldn't take any responsibilities, but I created a lot of problem for my younger sister, only for my fault, only for my immaturity, only for my lack of seriousness about my study in my career. I didn't give value to my career. I didn't value to valuable time. I didn't give importance to my time, and all the time I was in emotion. Yes, in my life I made a lot of mistake, and when I realized that no, my mistake is not one, two, few mistake. I didn't make a few mistake. I made a lot of mistake in my life. That's why when I realized that yes, I am not right. All the step that I have taken in my life, all were garbage, all were bad decision. Then I was totally like mad, and all the time I was sleeping by taking sleeping pill, and I was not talking with any person. My mood was not good. All the time I was sleeping. In all day I was sleeping for minimum 13 hours to 15 hours in a day, and I was becoming ill. I was becoming sick, and one day I understood that no, this is also I have still I have time to prepare myself, and no, my time is not over. I can do something still now. This is chance, and this chance has given me Rajiv Ahmed sir. Rajiv Ahmed sir means DSP group. This platform has given me the last chance in my life to prepare myself. And yes, subject doesn't matter. If you are in art subject, if you are serious, whatever subject you choose, whatever subject you are in, whatever background your background is science, commerce or arts, it doesn't matter. If you are serious in your subject, your educational background, your dream, then you can get shine in your life. Seriousness is important thing, and I want to say that student life is everything in our life. If we don't give priority to our student life, our life will destroy. And that's why we should give importance to our student life. And yes, when we child class 1 2 4 3 4 5 6 7, it doesn't matter. But when we are adults, I mean class 9, class 8, 9, 10, at that age we never should be emotion. We have to guide to ourselves. We have to be guardian to ourselves, and we should give importance to our study. And I realized those from the guideline of Rajiv Ahmed sir. I realized that those after joining in DSP group. So thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.